Hey, what's up, guys? Jerry Show here. Earlier today, I was importing like 32 gigabytes off this SD card, and I just kind of set it down under my desk and was letting it import, and then all of a sudden it died. And I pulled out the charger and tried to plug it in, and it was not charging. So I think I fixed it here. What I've done is basically just remove the cover on the back just by removing the screws. It's very simple. And right here is the battery. Look at that. Okay, and right here is where the battery plugs into the CPU. So what I did was unplug this. I carefully turned this around, opened it up, held down the power button for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then I left the battery still unplugged. And now, when I plug in the charging cord, you can see now it actually will start up. So that's good. Now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and plug back in the battery. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and double make sure that it's still going to charge. And that green light's on, and it turned on. Very good. I'm going to put the cover plate back on here and just make sure it's going to start back up and charge. And I just went ahead and put the screws back in. Plug the charger back in. I got the amber orangish light now, and looks like it's starting up and charging just fine. Phew. So just unplug or take out the back of the cover of the computer, unplug the battery, let it sit for a little bit, flip it over, hold down this power button with the battery unplugged. Then with the battery unplugged, plug the charger in. Once the charger's plugged back in, unplug it, and then go ahead and plug that battery in and put it back together. Bada bing. Thanks for watching.